Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set hidden parental controls in Windows 11. So the Windows 11 includes hidden parental controls as a part of the Microsoft Family Safety System that will allow parents to monitor and manage their children's activity. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up effectively. First, you need to set up a Microsoft Family account. So parental controls require linking child accounts to a Microsoft Family account. You can just create one. Just open the Microsoft Family Safety in your browser. Here, I'm going to open my browser. Let's search for Microsoft Family Safety. Okay, this one. And you can just use your own account to sign in to set up as the organizer. You can just tap on sign in here and invite the family members. So add your child's email address to invite them. If they don't have an account, you need to also create one for them via settings, account, family, and other users. And if you want to set up a child's account on Windows 11, you can just go to the setting first. And here, click on accounts. Find a family and other. This one, family. Can tap on open a family settings or just tap on add someone in here and choose an add a child and enter their Microsoft account email. And you can just enable the parental control. So once the child account is set up, you can configure controls through the family safety dashboard. So you can just visit the family safety dashboard and select the child's profile. Click on a child's account to manage their settings. So in the settings, you can manage their screen time. You can turn on the device limits. So you can set limits for. You can also set limits for individual apps and games. You can just click app and game and set a daily time limits. You can also block inappropriate content and restrict access to certain websites. And you can also control which apps and games your child can access, or you can restrict apps and game usage. Then you can also track your child's device usage, including apps used, website visited, and time spent. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.